It's SheetFools. We're creating fun automations that are going to wreak absolute chaos upon your Google Sheets and those who use your Google Sheets. Last video, we bolded a random row whenever the spreadsheet was open. Now we're going to scramble the sheet name here. We're going to do that with an automation. Go over to extensions, AppScript to start. Over there, we have a few things already. We already have our function on open written, and here we will create a scrambled function. We're going to write function scramble name. We're going to need the spreadsheet itself, variable sheet equals spreadsheet app dot get active sheet. We need the current name sheet dot get name, and then we're going to need a scramble name, and we're going to set it. So we're going to do sheet dot set name here, new name, or scrambled name. How we're going to get that scrambled name, we're going to do current name dot split, put in nothing there, dot sort, and inside of sort we're going to create a little function here, math dot random minus 0.5, and here we'll join back again, and that will be scrambled name equals that. Save, and if we want to test this, we could just go do scrambled name up here, and again we have this name here. We will run it, and we are actually scrambling down here, automations. If we want to scramble the spreadsheet itself, we can do active spreadsheet and click run, and now the name of the entire spreadsheet is totally scrambled. So either or, you can scramble the spreadsheet name, the entire file, or any particular sheet that you're on. There you go. And if we want to run this on open, we just take this function name and put it here with the parentheses in function open, just like our past videos. If you want to see all the past videos, or if you want to get all of these automations, just copy and paste them into your Google Sheets and get this in your Google Drive. Go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools and get all of these automations completely free, totally free, $0. Get it today and start wreaking total havoc on your spreadsheet colleagues.